Hey, little buddy. How are you? Hey? Let's take flight. Your brother and sister took right off. Hey? Little buddy. Now, little buddy. What are you doing? Hey? A rough start to the year for you. Yeah? Back to back 40 degrees. Then ice go up, let your brothers out. I think there's hair. That's just a poop. That's just a poop. I think they're all gone. Hey, princess. Oh, little buddy. Oh, little buddy. Princess, I think he needs another day or so in here before he gets his wings. Yeah, there's your mommies. There's your mommies. Me? You digging the heat? You didn't want to be in my hand a few minutes ago. No, you didn't want to be in my hand. What's up? Hmm? Yeah, you guys are the cutest barn birds. The birdie. Don't the baby birdie. Hey, princess. Nice princess. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna put you down, little guy. I'll come check on you later. You wanna get off? You ready? Here you go. You ready to go? Yeah? You wanna get down now? You don't wanna let go? It's okay. It's okay. I'm gonna keep an eye on you. You know how to eat these things? You know how to eat these things? I think Mother Nature's got to do its thing. I don't think your brothers or anybody else is in here. I think they so-called flew the coop when I opened up the door. Anyway, buddy.